Best drill bits. List number 9. Bosch HDS 18102 RT18V Cordless Lithium-Ion Compact Tough. Price $119.99. .1 stars reviews out of 5 stars. Ten customer reviews. List number 8. Cordless drill. 2 packs of battery, 18V power drill driver kit. Price $51.99. .3 stars reviews out of 5 stars. .19 customer reviews. List number 7. 20V cordless drill, power drill set. Price $40.99. .5 stars reviews out of 5 stars. .32 customer reviews. List number 6. Cordless drill driver sets, TECCPO compact drill lightweight. Price $69.99. .3 stars reviews out of 5 stars. .61 customer reviews. List number 5. Makita XT505 18VLXG Lithium-Ion Cordless Combo Kit, 5-piece. Price $457.17. .4 stars reviews out of 5 stars. .84 customer reviews. List number 4. Porter Cable PCCK 619L8 20V Maximum Lithium-Ion 8 Tool Combo Kit. Price $376.32. .3 stars reviews out of 5 stars. .183 customer reviews. List number 3. Bosch 18V compact tough drill. Price $104.55. 4.4 stars reviews out of 5 stars. $515 customer reviews. List number 2. Black Decker LDX 120 PK 20V maximum cordless drill and battery power project kit. Price $73.47. 4.3 stars reviews out of 5 stars. $1,625 customer reviews. List number 1. Dewalt 20V maximum cordless lithium-ion 1/2 inch compact drill driver kit. Price $99. 4.6 stars reviews out of 5 stars. $3,042 customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Thanks for watching.